Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe of a hemp seed chutney with you. So hemp seeds are not intoxicating, they are safe and very high in omega-3 fatty acids. So let's go ahead and see how I make this chutney. So here I have half a cup of hemp seeds. I have taken a couple of cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger. I'm using hemp seeds whole. If you can find hemp seed hearts, it's even tastier with that. If you're using hearts, you're going to roast it much less than I am. I'm roasting this for about 1 minute and then we are grinding this with some coriander and green chilies as per your taste. So you can even skip these green chilies. Salt. You can add lemon juice to this. If you don't like the flavor of hemp seeds, you can add a little bit of sugar or any other sweetener like erythritol and blend all of this together. So I have used the whole hemp seeds, and for that you need a good grinder or a blender, and you want to blend it for long enough till everything is really fine. It can get a little gritty. Now I'm making the tempering for it, so I'm using some ghee. Mustard oil also tastes good. I'm adding some whole cumin seeds and red dried chilies. If you want, you can add a little bit of garlic to this, so chop it fine and add it to the tempering. You can add a little bit of red chili powder, which will give the oil a red color. Put it on top of the chutney. I'm going to eat this with a millet dosa. If you want, I'll also link it in the description. Here is my dosa, and look at how nice and crisp this dosa or pancake or a crepe is. It's a very typical Indian recipe and it is delicious and a wholesome meal. If you've liked this recipe, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be notified every time that I add a new recipe. And thanks for watching. Bye.